So I'm just going to lay out how I'm pulling in over $1,000 a week. Yeah, you heard that right. By making and selling my own digital stuff on what I think is hands down the best platform out there. Heads up, it ain't Etsy, it ain't Amazon, and it ain't Stan Store. If you want to dodge those headaches, sneaky fees, and the whole risk of building your business on the wrong turf, then stick around and I'll tell you what I think is the top spot to sell your digital goods. Now, I totally get why you might be thinking a platform like Etsy or Amazon sounds good. You're probably thinking something like, hey, I don't want to have to build my own crowd or my audience. There's already tons of people on Etsy, same with Amazon. I'll just throw my stuff up there and the sales will start rolling in. Man, wouldn't that be sweet? If that was the case, I'd be all over those platforms too. But the truth of the matter is, yeah, they've got the audience and they know it. That's a big deal for them. And they ain't just going to hand it over to you for free. They're going to hit you with listing feeds every single time you put something up. And keep in mind, on a platform like Etsy, the name of the game is listing stuff over and over. So those fees can pile up real quick. Second, what do you think these platforms want you to cough up cash for? How do they make their money? Ads. They want you running ads on their platform. Yes, Etsy has its own ad system and Amazon got its own too. They want you to pay to make your stuff stand out. Why? That's how they make their bread and butter. But also, it's because there's a freaking ocean of competition out there, especially on those sites. Honestly, one of the easiest ways I've found to sell your digital products is to stand out by just being you. Show your personality, share what you know, be yourself, and build your own following. Once you've got your own crowd and your own email list, selling the digital products becomes a whole lot smoother. You don't have to answer to anyone else's rules. You don't got to pay those listing fees or ad costs. And that's exactly why I'm not on Etsy. I'm not on Amazon. I don't even use those platforms. Honestly, I don't think they're all that great. But that's a chat for another day. Now, sure, you can make some sales, but do I think it's going to be a walk in the park to build a 6 or 7 figure business selling your own digital products on those sites? No, I don't. I think it's going to be a tough climb. There's a ton of competition and everyone's racing to the bottom on price. They're trying to stand out by making their digital products cheaper and cheaper, and nobody really wins. But when you build your own following, you don't got to sweat the competition because you're you. There's no one else like you. And when someone clicks with you, like how you teach, likes who you are, they're going to want to buy from you. And that's priceless. Now, the platform I roll with is called System.io. It's an all-in-one online business tool that handles everything for me. Building and hosting my website, hosting my digital products, creating checkout pages to actually getting paid, making sales pages, and a whole lot more. Seriously, everything I do to run my online business is powered by System.io. Now, heads up, this ain't sponsored, but I am an affiliate because it's something I genuinely believe in and love. If you want to snag your very own totally free account, not a trial, a free account to System.io, you can do it by hitting the link in the description below this video. And the cool thing is, it's free for up to 2,000 email subscribers. So you can make your first sales, build your first email list, get your business off the ground completely for free. That's why I use it and swear by it. Now, I'm way past 2,000 subscribers. I'm over 40,000 at this point, and I only paid like $97 a month. And that's their top tier plan. Seriously, you can't pay more than that. I do pay for the year up front, so I save a bit, so it's actually like $67 a month. If you pay monthly, the most you spend is $97. But after the free plan, you can jump up for just $17 a month. Seriously, the price ranges are from $17 to $97 max. It's an awesome tool. I've been using it for years. I highly recommend it. And if you want my free step-by-step workshop on how to nail down your niche, figure out what digital product to sell, and how to create and sell your own digital stuff for consistent income, then go ahead and click the link below. It's the first one in the description and pinned in the first comment. Snag your free spot and watch that training now. Okay, So now you know the platform I use. Let's get into the step-by-step on how I'm actually making money with my digital product on this platform. First thing you got to do, build your own crowd. Don't rent one from those other platforms. I already went over a lot of the downsides. Hopefully we're on the same page there. Grow your own following, you'll thank me later. I highly recommend YouTube. Why not this? Why not that? Why not the other thing? Because I've tried them all, and YouTube kicks butt by a mile. If those other platforms work so great, wouldn't I be all over them? Yeah, I would. But I'm on YouTube, and that's my main focus because it's what's getting me the best results. So build your following on YouTube. Second, create a freebie. Create your own freebie. If you want some examples, I've got a bunch in the description. Basically, it's a short, helpful digital thing you give away for free that's going to help someone get a quick win. And to snag it, they got to drop in their email and their name, which also adds them to your email list. And this is how you move your YouTube followers over to your email subscribers. Why email subscribers? Well, email marketing is like 40 times better at making sales than social media. So you use social media to reel them in, but then you build the connection and sell through email. Now, next is surveying your audience. Next, once you hit around 100 to 200 email subscribers, you want to send out a survey. And you can use something like Google Forms. It's totally free to learn more about your audience. What are their biggest headaches? What problems are they dealing with? What kind of digital product could you create that will help them overcome those issues and reach their goals? Because that's the stuff they're actually paid for. Fourth, you're going to want to set up a checkout page. Now, once you've got that figured out, you're going to need a checkout page. This is where you put the info about your digital product, the name, what's included, what kind of results they can expect, how much it costs, and someone can fill out the form, put in their details, hit purchase, and bam. That's how you start making consistent sales because people can buy through your checkout page 24/7, 365. And you can build your checkout page right in System.io. Now, once you got all of this set up, what you do is send out those emails to your list, pointing them to that checkout page, and start making those first sales. It's that simple. And yeah, it's going to take some work to build your following, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Now, if I didn't think it was worth it, I wouldn't be wasting my time here. I'd be on Etsy or Amazon, but growing my own crowd to build my businesses has been working for me since way back in 2019. I've been on pretty much every platform you can think of, even Periscope. Let me know in the comments if any of y'all remember Periscope and Skype. That was a cool social media thing for like a hot minute. I made a good chunk of change on there and then poof, it was gone. What a bummer. And if you want me to walk you through this step by step with click-by-click tutorials, tools, templates, scripts, a community of other folks growing our YouTube and making and selling their own digital products and getting access to live weekly Q&A calls, then check out my membership, the Digital Income Starter Kit. It all starts at just $27 and we love to have you. If you're interested in learning more, check out the link below in the YouTube description. Now, it's true, selling on a platform that's already got shoppers seems like the easy route, and maybe you can make a quick buck. But to build a business that brings in real money for years to come, growing your own following and selling on your own platform like System.io is totally worth the effort. It's going to make it way easier to stand out and way easier to make sales. You won't have to pay those fees or play by anyone else's rules. Taking the time to build your own crowd, that's a game changer. And yeah, I know it's work. If it was easy, everyone would have a massive following and be rolling in dough. But it's going to be so worth it. And I'm telling you, once you've got your own people and selling and growing your own business gets a whole lot easier. And the great thing is, anyone could do it. Nobody's born with the following unless maybe you're like the Kardashians. I built followings on a bunch of platforms from scratch, zero, many times. If I can do it, you can do it too. Trust me, this is a huge opportunity out there. And if you wait too long, you might be ready down the road. So get out there, start posting, start growing your crowd, and get your message out there because the world needs it. So now that you know what I think is the best platform to sell digital products on, you might want to make sure you're not trying to sell some of those 5 digital products that just don't sell anymore. But how do you figure that out? Well, it all starts with watching this next video right here. Because when you put what you just learned together with what's in that video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.